In today's interconnected world, the ability to negotiate effectively across cultures is not just an asset, it's a necessity. Introducing our latest course, Cultural Impact on Negotiations, a comprehensive guide designed to unlock your potential in international negotiations. Embark on a journey with us through this course tailored to meet the demands of procurement professionals and negotiators aiming to excel in a global marketplace. Start with Module 1, where you'll dive into the essence of how culture shapes negotiation tactics and outcomes. Discover the foundational elements that define cultural impact in negotiations and why understanding these can be your key to success. In Module 2, unravel the complex ways culture influences negotiation. Learn through real-life examples and expert insights how cultural norms and values shape bargaining styles, communication patterns, and decision-making processes. With our interactive quizzes and exercises, test your understanding and apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Module 3 takes you on a global tour, exploring negotiation styles across Europe, America, Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Understand the nuances and leverage the power of cultural diversity to forge stronger, more effective negotiations. Enhance your learning experience with downloadable resources and templates designed to offer you practical tools and insights that can be applied instantly in your negotiations. Our online self-paced platform allows you to learn on the go, fitting seamlessly into your busy schedule. Wherever you are, unlock new skills and broaden your horizons at your convenience. Upon completion, receive a certificate showcasing your newfound skills and knowledge, a testament to your readiness to tackle the challenges of cultural diversity in negotiations. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your negotiation skills to a global level. Enroll in our Cultural Impact on Negotiations course today and start transforming the way you connect, negotiate, and succeed in the international arena.